Technology issues in education. Technology is used in classrooms such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. They use technology that is easily understandable and technology that will make the process easier rather than harder to complete. Positive effects of technology allow students and work faculty to complete the work needed when they can at home, allows people to do more research more quickly, technology has helped complete more databases and increase Scientology, such as when people are doing surgeries, they are able to use a robot instead. Virtual reality systems. In the medical field, they use this machine to help conduct surgeries. Teachers use learning videos to teach their students, such as Bill Nye the Science Guy. Online offers different studying techniques such as Quizlet, Evernote, and Study Blue. There's a bunch of increased opportunities such as media, photography, and online courses. Some negative effects are decreased social skills because people are not doing it face to face. People get distracted a lot easier. When they are in class and their phone goes off, they stop listening to what the teacher is teaching. They look directly at their phone. With how advanced technology has become, there have more medical issues developing, such as obesity, high cholesterol, and vision problems. People who get addicted to technology normally stop taking care of themselves like they're supposed to. Cultural opportunities. Passport and flight tickets are sold online. People can research other countries and religions instead of having to travel around the world. It just makes it easier being able to pull up Google to look for religion and cultural topics instead of having to pay so much money to travel to learn about different backgrounds.